Hey, Jolly Phonics fans. Hello, this is the 11th of January. Happy New 2023. We are continuing with our course. We're not giving up. We are there on the track. We're going further with our commitments to the course. And I really hope we're going to make it to the end with flying colors. And you will feel a different and new quality professional in Jolly Phonics. So we can promote and enjoy this to the utmost. So for today, we're going to speak about blending. Just a quick look at our participants. So it's lesson, I did not update, maybe lesson number 6 last time. Yeah, it's lesson number 7 today. And Olga is here. Marina is here. Uliana said she's going to be watching in the replay. So it's the replay word. Then, no, sorry, it's Marina's. It's Marina. So, Julie is going to watch the replay. Katya is here. Lena, I think she promised the replay. Dima, goodbye. Maria, Diana, well, she warned me that she's not going to be able to watch the lessons. Lera is hopefully joining, but a question, is she really? Natalie is here. Vlada, goodbye for now. Olga is here, and Elena, she warned me that she's going to watch a replay. Daria, nevertheless. And Olga promised to be here, like, listening. Hopefully she's gonna come. Okay. Question mark, if she comes or not. Blending. Okay, so what is blending itself? Like, what does it mean? What is blending? Can you give me an answer?
In 3 words, it's to look the letter, say the sound, and hear the word.
Blend. Say the sound and connect the sounds.
Connect them.
Say together, yeah? Say sound, say several sounds together in like a smooth kind of line, yeah, word. So you can hear the word, the blending itself. Anybody has a definition for blending of their own?
The ability to join sounds together to make a word.
Yes, ability. Good, I like this word. Ability to join sounds together. All right, the next question for you is, do you introduce audio or written blending first when you're first with your students? What is audio blending, by the way? What is written blending?
So first type of blending is like when teacher just pronounce sounds separately, yeah, and kids should understand that we need to join them into one word, like
What is the word?
Mary.
Men? Oh.
Once again, this now was audio blending.
Marina.
Audio blending. What you have to do is you have to get the audio form, fix it in your audio memory, yeah, and then put them together in a word. Okay, let's make it shorter. Kate. It's Kate. It's much easier because it has only one syllable, unlike Marina. Yeah, there's a lot of blending there. In Kate, there is just like one syllable, and it's easier. So for audio blending, is this what we just did? For written blending, that's this picture, okay?
Do you?
Why? Ooh. What is the sound? Phonics. Yes.
Daria.
Daria word. Okay. Yeah, because there's no English word like that. You have to only look at sounds. It's how Daria would look with sounds. D, a, r, y, Daria, right? If you segment it, if you break it into sounds like this. So what is the first to introduce? Audio blending or written blending?
Audio.
Audio?
Who said audio?
Natalie.
Natalie, why?
Because for me, it's more easy. For example, in you explain it just like you said in audio way, without writing. It's just more easy. Just kids, for them, it's easy to remember. But when we need to write it, it's another activity. We need to hear and to write.
Remember,
activities.
blending is the ability to join. When you do audio blending, what does your ability include? You have to what? Hear, remember, connect. What ability do you do you need when you see the words? You have to look at the symbol, remember its meaning, like it's remember what it means, and then pronounce it in your own head, and then blend it together, right? So with written blending, there's more knowledge required in order to start reading, right? With audio blending, it's much easier. You just repeat the sound. You don't have to do anything like to recognize the symbols, right? So do you guys, who is doing audio blending with their kids?
Tatiana, and when we write dictation with kids, first we use audio blending and then comes written.
Yeah, so you do dictating, you do audio blending. If you dictate like my sounds, it's the dictation of phonics. It's not dictation of words, right? It's dictation of phonics. You check how they know the phonics. And they perform writing. For them, it is hearing and remembering the symbols, right? It's not blending for them. They do not have to blend when you do tap. You do app. They don't even have to blend when you do tap, because they have to segment. Tap, they have to blend only when they are to pronounce it from reading or from hearing. Blending is, like, remember, connecting, uniting, and then producing it. Lera, do you do audio blending with anybody ever?
No, I don't study, I don't have phonics groups. That's why I do not use it. No, sometimes I do with the kids who, like, I know that they had phonics, and if they don't know how to read the words, but I don't do like audio, it's in written form. Or sometimes when I have some substitute, like замены, then I do.
Audio, yeah, so you say it by sound and people and children. Any other learning audio and written blending?
Always audio.
Yeah, audio is easy. With using audio blending, you help them to learn to blend. Because with written blending, they have to already recognize the phonics and use the ability of blending that they had learned while you were practicing the audio blending with them. So it's a good idea to introduce blend first and then move on to written blending. So question number 3. Why do some children struggle with blending?
They don't know just sounds very well. the first reason?
Yes, poor knowledge of phonics. They do not know phonics. They do not know sounds. They не доучили звуки. That's reason number one. Good, Marina. And number two?
The wrong sound. So you need to put stress on the first sound when you pronounce the word.
Mm-hmm. Can you give me an example of the wrong emphasizing, Kate?
Dog.
So you do d or g. Yeah, that's the wrong emphasizing. Or k, m, a, k. It should be a. So wrong sound is emphasized, but like I don't see this is so it's like a teacher's problem, right? Emphasized. Number 4 at the lesson, do a little test. Is there a schwa in the sound or not? Good. We will play with you a little bit right now. I say a sound and you tell me whether it has a schwa or not. A schwa is the sound Can everybody hear me and see me well? Yes, good. So let's do p. Yes. K. Yes. Sh. No. No. F. Yes. Sh. Yes. K. Yes.
Yes.
No. My dear, take your Zoom pencil and write any 2 phonics that you want, preferably the consonants. Yeah, make it smaller. Leave space for everybody else, Natalia.
Sorry. How to say it?
All right, that counts. Okay, Natalia. 2 phonics for me, please. Try to make it as various as possible. What do you remember? Is it only me working? I want to see how you write. Come on.
I don't know how to write. Can you explain?
That's the problem. You don't know how to write phonics.
No, I don't know how to use how to write in Zoom.
Ah, hello, my dear. Hey. There is, are you using the computer, Kate? Вверху вы просматриваете экран Татьяна Гривецкая, и там есть настройки просмотра, и там есть кнопка комментировать. Bad, not bad, not bad writing. Phonics, okay, okay. Nice. G, all right. So I say again, is there a schwa or not? So this one, ma. Is there a schwa? Ma.
No.
Yes. I say
Yeah.
m, I say ma. Mm.
Mm.
No schwa in the second case because I said Okay. Let's look at this one here. S. I said the schwa. Now,
Mhm. Without.
No.
do you understand why I gave you this exercise?
Mhm.
Sometimes we give children a word for audial blending and we don't even realize how we make their life harder by pronouncing simple sounds like s with a schwa, saying sa. It's not sa, yeah, it's s. It's not the, it's f or the. Now it's with a schwa, but you can still do it as a v. That's without the schwa, the. То есть вот этот взрыв, который происходит, когда мы выпускаем воздух на гласный, это и есть вот этот дополнительный звук, который появляется, и он мешает этим блендить. Вот сюда смотрим. Фа. Это не фа, и не фе, тем более, как по русскому алфавиту учат. Фе. Это не ф. Это и, fish. But if you do fa, e, sha, it sounds different, right? E, sh, fish. Fa, e, sha. It's just like you add voice to the voiceless consonants and they do not sound right. Yeah, don't say them with voice if they are voiceless. Yeah, save yourself from like incorrect pronouncing, not to teach the kids incorrect pronunciation. Thank you very much. Perform silent blending. Okie dokie. Performing silent blending. Did anybody get to reading what silent blending is? And the start of the stage is now Kate. You go. Kate, could you show me the word fish? Can you show me the fish? Who can show me the word fish?
I guess we should
use
use the movements.
Yes, you should use the move. What was the focus of sound of or?
On, switch on the light.
Yes, switch on the light, on and off. Switch on the light.
So you need to pretend.
What is the movement for o? Usually it's like going to off. Yeah, so gargle, or, and what was it, gosh, and shh. That's the word gosh. All right, Kate, I send you a private message with the word that you have to show to everybody. Easy, all right?
Where to check?
Ah, I send it to everybody, sorry. Another one. Go, show it to everybody, and you guess what word Kate is showing.
Remember.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Parents.
All right, Natalia, for you. Look at Natalia. She's going to show you the word.
Where is the message? Moment. I want to see where is it? Moment.
Message. Natalia disappeared. Too hard. Okay. Too hard. All right. Look at me then. I'll try to show you the word.
Net.
It was net. It was net. It was the word net. Oh my. Try one more. Okay, this one.
Next.
It was chest.
Mhm.
It was chest. So Jolly Phonics suggest using movements in order to learn the sounds. How do you like the idea?
If you know how to show the sounds, it's cool idea.
The thing is that they
Take time.
Yes, so if you start teaching the movements, it's a good idea to go on with them because it's kind of part of the fun, you know, that you do with the kids. It's some of the kids even wait for it, like what's going to be the next move, and each move is practiced together with a song that they suggest with every sound. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. When I play a tennis game, puff out the candles on the pink big cake. Yeah, so it's funny to do it, and kids remember fast when you combine a song and a sound. Have a look here, please. Just if you don't remember what I'm talking about, in Pupils book there is a movement for each sound. Yeah, it's demonstrated in these little boxes here. For T, for E. Все, наверное, забыли, что И — это мышкины усы. П на пальчик дуем. Airplane — это летит человек. К — кастаньеты. Egg — разбиваем. Egg — яйцо. Ха-ха — дышим на ручку. Ха-ха. Р — как собачка, рычим. Трясем головой. Что здесь? Вкусненький обед, гладим по животу. Д — на барабане пальчиками играем. И на каждый звук есть этот move, да? Д-д-д. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the see me play up on my drum. If you have enough time,
Tatiana.
what is it? Yeah,
Nice dog. Fantastic.
Some cutie to the lesson. So movements is funny. Love it. And you can play games by showing the sounds and having them repeat. If you're doing smaller kids, movements is a good idea. If it's 7, 8 years old and they are older, maybe it's already too late. But if you start with 4 years old, 5, maybe still 6, movements, think about it, guys. Yeah, maybe you grow to like the movements and include them in your teaching, and then find it really entertaining and funny to use lessons and exciting. Yes, Jolly Phonics suggests so many wonderful ways of learning. Yeah, you're free to choose even whether you want to take them or not. Like it's your decision. Good. Going on to what is the difference between Jolly readers and read and see? Has anybody figured this out?
So as far as I understood, they are different sets of books.
Mhm.
Jolly Readers has levels, like red level. Yes, and we need to read them after 6 books.
Have you ever seen these books?
Mm-mm.
I
No,
saw it maybe
No,
on
no, I
the
know,
website.
I know, but I have never used them with kids.
Why?
Because we didn't finish 6 books, or when should we start reading?
Good question. That's the best time to ask this question now, Kate. Okay, on our disk, BE Materials books, we have this folder which is called Jolly Phonics Readers. Okay, here you can find the whole collection of Jolly Phonics books. During the COVID times, Jolly Phonics was so kind to share this for free, and our dear Lenочка Kovaleva downloaded all the books, and now we can happily use them in our lessons. I wish it opened faster than it is actually doing this. So, Jolly Phonics readers. Benjamin, are you leaving me? Goodbye. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, guys, for taking your time because of my very, very slow internet doing this bad trick to me. Maybe if I close this window. I was going to show you the folder with the books, with Jolly Readers to support my words. But it's all stopped. Who saw Jolly Readers in our Jolly Phonics collection? Marina, Daria, Natalia. Good. Everybody who hasn't seen that folder yet, you're very welcome to go and travel there and just investigate, study. Okay, I think I have an idea of